Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you the demo of this application, I-beam drawing parts representation. This application reads the part color in the model and map it straight to the drawings. Let me just walk you through how this application works. When I select the parts and click outline, it will automatically read the parts color in the model and update the drawing. If I take a look at this model and drawing together, you can see, yes, of course, there will be difference in color, how it displays in the model and drawing, but you can see it's more or less similar. When I click solid, it makes all the part colors solid. And the next one is assembly. When you select this assembly option, it will read the main part color and applies the same color to all the parts welded to the main part. So you can also use this one for checking. And the next one is assembly solid. And if you want to apply the single color, you can choose any one of this option from the drop-down list and click single color. Now you can see how fast you can change the color representation. And the another advantage of using this option is filtering based on bundle, packing, container, phases, and profile. Let me just take another drawing to explain how this filter option works. First, let me choose container. Container is nothing but loading. And you can also run for the selected objects. Now select the selected objects and select all the objects in the view and click get details. There are 3 lots, that's what exactly it shows. I'm changing the color representation and apply color. So you can see now, based on the lots, it applies the color in the drawing, and then you can select the legend table and refresh. So it will automatically show the container number, weight, and color representation. Next, I'm going to run bundle. Let me choose this. I'm selecting all the objects in the view and get bundle numbers. Let me just apply color and then refresh the template. Let me just go to the next drawing. So I'm going to apply profile. Select the parts in the view, get details. So these are the different profiles in the drawing. So let me just click apply color and then select the table and refresh. So now you can see. And for this table, I'm using the user defined attributes to display it because I don't want this legend table to display in every drawing. So now you can see this is the option I'm using to display the legend table in the drawing sheet. If you have any question about this application, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.